Hello friends, in this particular video we will discuss the source of law which has been mentioned in the Kautilya Arthashastra. Now what are those sources? Let us see them. Dharma, evidence, customs and royal edicts. So friend, as far as the Dharma Shastra was concerned, that was one of the basic source of law at that point of time. Evidence was obviously there. Customs, they also prevailed a very important role. And royal edicts. Now what do you mean by royal edicts? Probably the orders which are taken out by the kings, they will be considered as a source of law. To some extent, even today we have something called ordinances which are there, subsequent to which laws are formed based on ordinances. Those can be considered as royal edicts as of today. So these were the basic four sources of law which Kautilya has considered, and based on these four sources he has designed all his legal system, his courts, the functioning of legal system, the functioning of property laws, functioning of matrimonial laws, all those laws which subsequently follow, all that is being covered, or the source of all those laws are these four things which we have mentioned. So friend, these were the source of law which are mentioned in Kautilya. In our next video, we will see what is judiciary as mentioned by Kautilya. Thank you.